mean, I'm sure Mikmik Laborte has already done everything in practice. Application na lang pagdating din sa laro.
Yeah, I guess that's right naman kasi makikita natin few words being spoken there by Coach Mikmik Laborte.
And Jose or Magnata Torres keeps it alive. Here's Cansana, this time trying to use power. Jose, setting up Gonzalez, dug up by Gabriel. Here's Cansana, power put, dug up once again. Oh, and Torres cannot get to it.
That's a good
Ateneo scores.
coming from Gingerat. Kasi nakita niya doon, actually kanina niya pag ginagawa yung mga power tip. I guess that's one of the arsenals that's been working well for this Thai import.
Well, yun na nga, that time, tumama lang sa net. Di lang na-timingan ni April Jose. She had the right idea. But now, Pati Taganas will be serving for Ateneo. 20-19. Jose, set up for Cabanag. Himpo. Oh, Bello attacking. At gulat na gulat ang FEU doon.
Ito na yung sinasabi natin dito kay Bello Noel. Akala mo medyo malamya siya, but then again, she's a thinking player. So that's one of the good things that having Bello in your lineup.
Titignan natin ngayon dito. Itong Ateneo, if they can hold on, they are 4 points away from the match. But FEU has been playing pretty well here sa set number 4. Medyo nakakamote rin sa kanilang Ateneo. Here's Pati Taganas. Jose. Combination. Gonzalez! And that one is out. And it is a point for Ateneo. So 22-19. This is on the serve of Pati Taganas once again, Topex.
Sa yung atake ng coming from Shaira Gonzalez that tingnan natin kung anong advantage magkakaroon ng Ateneo dito sa ating service.
Jose setting up Cabanag. Rejected at the net. Jose once again. This time they go to Gonzalez. Through the blockers. Taganas is there. Bello sets up. Canciana. And Torres. And Gonzalez ngayon. Kimpo. There's gonna be a challenge. Oh, Cabanag scores! 22-20. Nagiging misclutch dito. Ito si Roseanne Cabanag scoring in the stretch.
Actually, the defense of Ateneo looking at Gonzalez, but itong si Cabanag, medyo nag-aabang lang doon ang kanyang opportunity.
Free ball given up by Ateneo. Here's an opportunity here for FEU. Morada attacking the face of Azevedo.
Look at the way Morada really elevated on that attack. Well, makikita natin talagang she's really well prepared for that attack. At maganda rin naman yung setup doon ni Jose.
Tignan natin dito kung anong ginawa niya sa mukha ni Azevedo. Morada, Azevedo trying to defend herself. Parang Matrix no? Yung ginawa to ni Azevedo. Pero again, to no avail. FEU once again down by only 1. Here's the setup for Canciana. Coverage is there for Torres. Cabanag, here's touch number 3 coming up from Shaira Gonzalez. Bello sets up Canciana. Off the hands. Torres keeps it alive. Taganas, free ball coming up from Shaira Gonzalez. Drops it in. Bello attacking. And Morada also. What a play for FEU.
That was a good work coming from the FEU Lady Tamaros. Makikita natin doon. Almost itong atake ni Bello got away. But then again, having quick feet para sa kapunan ng FEU, really paying wonders for them. At don't look now, Noel, we're tied at 22.
And again, you have to credit yung resilience itong kumpara ng FEU. Napakasipag po nila sa kanilang coverage. Canciana, oh, I spoke too soon. Canciana, pinahiya ang coverage ng FEU that time.
Again, that power team really working for Canciana. Makikita natin doon. She always varies her attack. Sometimes she goes strong, but now I guess that was a good move coming from her.
And now Misha Kimpo. Ateneo 2 points away from the match. Cabanag. Jose. They go to the other side. Shaira Gonzalez. And that one is out. Point for FEU. Tied at 23. Both teams now 2 points away from the match.
Yeah, I guess dito na lalabas yung kung sino talagang gustong makakuha dito sa ating fourth set because turnovers are really no place this part of the ball game, Noel.
And we've seen very few of them so far. Soriano gives it up. Jose, back set right now, and Morada gives FEU the lead. Let's take a look at that last play once again. Ito po si Irish Morada, just using her power against the defense there of Jindarat Canciana. So now FEU serving to extend this to a 5th set. Shaira Gonzalez. Bello. Canciana turned back, and we will have a 5th set. Irish Morada making sure that we will have a decider dito, Topex Robinson.
That was good coverage at good set for this FEU ball club. Makikita natin yung gigil na naman sa mukha nitong si Morata. Walang, hindi man lang umingiti. Noel, so that's Phil's trouble for Ateneo.
Shaky shake in play, of course, the defense single coverage against the Thai import from the captain of FEU. Kami po ay magbabalik for set number 5.